In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the fog light bulbs on your 2011 to 2016 Hyundai Elantra. It's a very easy process and it only takes about 2 minutes. So let's go ahead and get started. The only tool you will need for this is a Phillips head screwdriver, and get a screwdriver with a thick tip. Like says PH2 on this one, get one like that. Now that's the left headlight, that's the left fog light. And the way to access the bulb is from underneath the car there. That's what the access panel is. And there's two clips that we need to take off. Now that's where the screwdriver comes into use. We need to get the middle part of the clip off. So if it doesn't just screw off, use your finger and push down on the outer part of the clip. And then try unscrewing the middle part. You don't need to unscrew it all the way. Just get it off a couple threads. Then just use your finger and unscrew it and pull the middle part out. Once you do that, you can get the outer part out. Let's repeat the same process for the other clip as well. Now that's the connector right there. We need to get that electrical connector off. So squeeze it on the sides there and it will come off. Now that's the bulb. Just grab the bulb, twist it left 45 degrees. And then the bulb comes off as well. Now when you put in the bulb back on, you notice those notches over there. Those notches need to align with the slots in the bulb holder. So make sure you position the bulb like that. Make sure it's sitting flush now. And let's just twist it right. And now it's locked in position. Let's put the electrical connector back on. Push it so that it clicks. And you see how that plastic tab over there is preventing the connector from twisting left? So that's what prevents bulb from coming loose when you're driving around. Now let's put the clips back on. Put the outer part in and just push the middle part in. Same process for the other clip as well. Put the outer part of the clip on first. Then let's get the middle part. You can either push it in or you can just screw it in. Now let's repeat the same process for the right side fog lamp as well. And it's the exact same process, but I just want to show you that it's just as easy. It only takes about 2 minutes on the other side as well. So let's go ahead and take those clips off. One by one. Now the connector comes off first. Press it on the sides and pull it out. Now let's get the bulb out. Twist it left. And the bulb just comes right out. Now let's get the new bulb. Put it back in. Make sure it's sitting flush. Like that. Now let's just twist it right. Done. The bulb is now locked in position. Let's get the electrical connector and click it on. And now let's put those clips back on there. And now let's go ahead and check out the fog light. That looks nice.